Hello everyone and welcome. I am Dr. Sheetal K. Radhakrishnan, Scientist Environmental Sciences at the ICAR-Indian Institute of Soil and Water Conservation Research Center, Ooty. Today, we are going to dive into a topic that's not only crucial for our planet but also for the future of farming: agricultural waste management for soil and environmental sustainability. Let's begin by defining what agricultural waste is. Agriculture waste is a broad category that includes several byproducts from farming and agricultural activities. This can include crop residues like leftover stalks and straw, animal manure, agro-industrial byproducts, and even the packaging materials used for agricultural products. Annually, India generates about 960 million tons of solid waste, and over half of that, about 54%, is organic waste. This presents both a challenge as well as a huge opportunity. So why is agriculture waste important? There has been a growing market for organic products and sustainable farming methods in India in recent times. We are also seeing innovations in decentralized waste processing technologies which are making it easier to manage this waste at a local level. So, why is it so important to properly manage agricultural waste? Improper disposal poses significant challenges. Soil degradation. When farmers burn crop residues, it reduces soil fertility, making the land less productive over time. Water pollution. Rain can wash untreated waste into rivers and lakes, contaminating water bodies and harming aquatic life. Air pollution. The open burning of waste releases harmful pollutants like carbon dioxide, methane, and particulate matter into the air, impacting public health and air quality. Loss of resources. When we throw away agricultural waste, we are essentially throwing away usable nutrients that could be recycled and used to enrich the soil. The challenges in adopting sustainable agricultural waste management practices are significant. A major hurdle is the lack of awareness among the farmers. Many just don't know about the proper techniques or the benefits that they offer. Another issue is the high initial investment costs for processing technologies. There are also logistical issues such as difficulty and cost of collecting and transporting waste from scattered farms to processing facilities. This is where the concept of a circular economy comes in. Traditionally, we have operated on a linear economy model. You take the resources, you make a product, and then dispose of the waste. However, this model is not sustainable. The circular economy, on the other hand, is about creating a closed loop. We design products, we use them, and then recover and regenerate materials at the end of their life cycle. This approach is all about transforming agricultural waste from a problem into a valuable resource, benefiting our soil, the environment, and the economy. By embracing this approach in agriculture, we can achieve several benefits. Soil health. It enhances soil fertility and improves its structure. Environmental protection. It reduces pollution and emissions. Resource recovery. It converts waste into valuable resources. And economic benefits. It reduces the costs for farmers and also creates new business opportunities. Let's explore some key strategies for agricultural waste management. These strategies focus on turning waste into valuable products. So what are some of these strategies? We have several innovative ways to manage agricultural waste. First, composting. Converting organic waste into nutrient-rich compost. Second, vermicomposting. Converting organic waste into nutrient-rich compost using earthworms. Third, biochar production. Converting waste into biochar for soil amendment. Fourth, anaerobic digestion. Producing biogas from organic waste. Fifth is crop residue management, which refers to utilizing the residues for various purposes such as mulching, fodder, bioenergy, mushroom cultivation, etc. Sixth is briquetting, where the waste is converted into fuel briquettes. And the last one is fruit and vegetable byproducts such as citrus peel candy, watermelon rind jam, etc. Let's explore some of these strategies in detail. One of the most common and effective strategies is composting, which is often referred to as turning waste into gold. Composting is the natural process of decomposition of organic waste like crop residues, animal manure, and food waste by microorganisms or earthworms into nutrient-rich soil amendment. The benefits are manifold. The application of compost improves the soil structure and fertility and also the microbial activity. It improves soil water holding capacity and also reduces the reliance on synthetic fertilizers. Another powerful strategy is anaerobic digestion. This is the process where microorganisms break down organic waste in the absence of oxygen. This process produces two main products: biogas, a renewable energy source primarily made up of methane and carbon dioxide, and a digestate, which is a nutrient-rich slurry. The benefits are manifold. First, it generates clean, renewable energy for farm operations, making it an environment-friendly alternate to fossil fuels. It captures methane, which is a potent greenhouse gas, and converts it into usable fuel, directly contributing to climate change mitigation. And the leftover digestate can then be used as a liquid fertilizer. Next, we have biochar. Biochar is a charcoal-like substance produced by heating biomass such as crop stalks or wood chips in a low oxygen environment, a process known as pyrolysis. Biochar is an excellent soil amendment. It increases the soil's capacity to retain water and nutrients, which can make fertilizers more effective. A key benefit is that it provides a long-term home for carbon, which helps mitigate climate change. It also reduces greenhouse gas emissions from the soil itself. Finally, let's look at specific strategies for crop residue management. Instead of burning residues, farmers can use them for various purposes. One method is mulching, where residues are spread over the soil to protect it, retain moisture, and to suppress weeds. No-till farming involves leaving residues on the field to improve the soil health. The Happy Seeder machine in Punjab used for crop residue management is a very good example. Fodder, where residues are used as animal feed, and bioenergy, which refers to converting the residues into biofuels such as pellets or briquettes or directly into electricity. Adopting these practices has a massive impact on the environment, reaching far beyond just the soil. It's vital for overall environmental sustainability. Air quality. The proper waste management, particularly by avoiding stubble burning, significantly reduces air pollution and the release of harmful particulate matter. Climate change mitigation. Converting waste into biochar and biogas sequesters carbon and captures methane, directly contributing to the fight against climate change. Reduced chemical use. The use of natural fertilizers like compost and digestate reduces reliance on the ever-increasing energy-intensive and chemical-based synthetic fertilizers. Thankfully, there's growing support for these efforts from both the government and communities. The government offers policies like subsidies and schemes such as the Crop Residue Management Subsidy, which offers financial support for farmers and groups. For instance, the Crop Residue Management provides subsidy under the SMAM, which is the Submission on Agricultural Mechanization, offering a 50% subsidy for farmers for the purchase of machinery like happy seeders, super seeders, balers, mulchers, etc. The scheme also promotes establishment of custom hiring centers and provides up to 80% subsidy for groups like rural entrepreneurs, farmer producer organizations, farmer cooperative societies to set up these custom hiring centers. There is also support for organic fertilizers and composting, with schemes offering up to 50% subsidy for vermicompost units and bio-waste compost units. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy also has biogas programs that provide subsidies for small and medium plants, with extra support for SC/ST communities, northeastern regions, and Gaushalas. The Satat scheme is a great example supporting compressed biogas plants from agricultural waste. The state level initiatives are also making a great difference, like Punjab and Uttar Pradesh's crop residue management, machinery subsidy, and pilot biogas projects. Gujarat has a fantastic dung to CBG and biofertilizer model, and Tamil Nadu has a zero waste Chennai initiative. There's even a promotion of biochar through low-cost pyrolyzers, which has been integrated with schemes like the National Mission on Sustainable Agriculture and Biofuel and Biomass Mission. Awareness campaigns and community-led initiatives are also crucial for driving this change. In conclusion, managing agricultural waste is absolutely crucial for soil health, environmental sustainability, and climate change mitigation. By adopting effective management strategies, we can successfully transform waste into valuable resources, which offers significant benefits for our soil, water, and air. The transition to a circular economy is key to building a resilient and sustainable agricultural sector. It's a collective responsibility, and it will take governments, farmers, and communities working together to promote these sustainable practices. Remember the saying, waste is not waste until we waste it. Thank you for your time and attention.